Think you know the toughest creatures on Earth? From the scorching deserts to the frozen tundras, animals have evolved incredible survival skills to thrive in the harshest conditions imaginable. But which animal is the ultimate survivor? In today's quiz, we'll test your knowledge of nature's strongest, weirdest, and most unstoppable creatures. Get ready, because this test will only get harder as we go. Let's see how well you can do. Which animal can survive extreme heat and dehydration in the desert? A. Camel. Which insect is known for surviving nuclear radiation? B. Cockroach. Which sea creature can regrow lost limbs, making it a survival expert? C. Starfish. Which animal survives by entering a frozen state during winter? D. Wood frog. Which insect can survive underwater for extended periods by creating its own air bubble? A. Diving beetle. What is the longest living land animal known to survive for centuries? B. Giant tortoise. Which microscopic organism can survive in the vacuum of space? A. Tardigrade. Which animal can survive without breathing for hours by slowing its heart rate? D. Alligator. Which fish can survive being frozen and thawed? C. Antarctic toothfish. Which bird can fly for months without landing, making it a survival master? A. Albatross. Which animal can regenerate entire body parts and live over a century? C. Lobster. Which animal is known to survive underwater for 6 minutes without breathing? A. Sloth. Which mammal can survive harsh Arctic winters by turning white to camouflage? D. Arctic fox. Which insect hibernates through harsh winters by creating its own antifreeze? B. Caterpillar. Which of these animals can live for weeks without their heads? C. Cockroach. Which animal can endure the highest levels of radiation? B. Tardigrade. Which reptile can survive for years without food? B. Python. Only a small percentage of people can get them all right. How did you do? Tell us your score in the comments, and if you missed 3 or less, you're a certified trivia genius. Craving more? Click the next quiz and let's get busy.